myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi. So I'm currently crumbling under the weight of all the things that I have to do. So I'm gonna do the obvious thing, ignore them all, and go online shopping. I'm not gonna lie, I have resisted the urge to film this video for months now, just because when I think about it, I don't really need new clothes. I mean, I really don't have anywhere to go. But I've had a week. I have my reviews, my exams just got over, my birthday was a disaster. I don't even want to talk about it this year. But yeah, let's just say I haven't been having a good time and I desperately need some retail therapy. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do this trend. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna insert some examples over here, but there's this kind of trend that's going on YouTube where girls literally just buy their dream Pinterest closet, and I mean, hello. Also, I totally missed filming like chill videos where I really don't have to give a shit. Like I'm dressed like a whole ass lilac Teletubby today, and I'm so in the mood. I'm excited to online shop, I'm excited to do this. So I'm quickly going to start recording my screen so you can see what I'm doing. But until then, if you're not, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me. And with that, let's open the mood board to my life. I'm not gonna lie, my Pinterest is pretty sick. I had a phase where I was really overwhelmed with social media, but Pinterest was the only place I wanted to be. This is like my vision board, my mood board, my dream life, my dream closet. It's all in there. So if you wanna follow me, I'm gonna have my username in the description, but if you wanna search it up, it's just my name, Priya Javeri. Yeah, you could say I'm a little bit obsessed with Pinterest, which is why I have like 3 different boards. Outfits I need, outfit inspo, and style. I'm gonna start with style because this is my dream style. Like if I had the freedom to buy anything I could in the world, this would be it. I'm just gonna scroll through, give you an idea. There's a lot of Bella Hadid. It's very like 90s Versace, Hershey kind of vibe. There's a lot of sheer action going on, and I've been super into the lingerie as outerwear trend. I love styling like slip dresses and like sheer fabrics and all of that. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with like vintage corsets like this. I can't speak. Honestly, I have no clue where to get this. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's like Vivienne Westwood or something. Yeah, it doesn't. That's the problem with vintage, because I love buying vintage, but it gets sold out so fast. Like if you ever see it on Pinterest or something like that, you can never find it. Oh my god. This is why I hate Pinterest. Look at these. Oh, I would die for an Alexander McQueen. Oh my god, imagine. See, now this is my dream closet, except I can't afford it, so. Okay, we're gonna get out of this whole high fashion area. Yeah, this board has a lot of ball gowns and red carpet dresses. Let's do outfits I need, because it's literally outfits I need. Oh my god, anything like this, I am so obsessed with, so obsessed. These jackets with like fur trim, like just on the sleeve and on the collar, that's so cute. And Angie has this really cute like puffer coat. But the only thing with that is puffer coat and Mumbai. 2 things that don't go together. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. I am obsessed with this leather skirt. The only thing is I already have like a black skater skirt kind of. I mean, definitely not as cute as this. It's like a basic. That's the thing about IMGR. I feel like they're basics, but the details they put in the design just make the outfits so much cooler and better than like anywhere else. I think I've basically gone through everything. Guys, my whole wish list is literally sold out. What the hell? Ooh, okay. So I know of this website, House of Sunny. It's like this super cool Instagram brand that's everywhere recently. It's very like retro, like 60s, 70s. I've been really into that era recently. So this is gonna be fun. They're a pretty sustainable brand, which is always good. Oh, how cute is this set? Oh my god. Tell me you're seeing what I'm seeing. This is so cute. Oh my god. And okay, this is actually, it's cheaper than I thought it would be, because I've seen like celebrities in this brand and so I expected it to be like $400 or something, but it's only £88, which is acceptable. Still expensive, but acceptable. Can you imagine the outfit? We're doing this for the first time in like a year. I'm not kidding you guys, I haven't shopped all year. Yeah, it was my birthday. This was my birthday gift to myself. It's happening. Ooh, also, oh my god, I guess I can share what I got for my birthday. So it's actually not in yet, but I got myself a winter Jimmy Choo shoulder bag and a Burberry skirt, and I'm so excited for it to come. Like, I'm so excited. It's the first time I got myself like a birthday gift. Okay, I don't think I spoke about this, but I just like had a not so good birthday. Like, it wasn't terrible. It was fun. It just like I wasn't in the best headspace, so I'm making myself feel better for retail therapy. That's basically what's happening. But it's okay. It's okay. You gotta treat yourself sometimes. And the thing is, okay, I feel like I need to explain myself a little bit more. The thing is, it's sad, but I lost interest in shopping the last year. Like, for some reason, like I'm not gonna say I wasn't shopping. I was shopping before the pandemic. But I wasn't really in love with anything I was buying. I was kind of just buying it. Like, you know when you go in store and you're like, oh my god, like I need to have this thing, like this is the love of my life, like you get so excited. I didn't get that feeling for so long. I guess I just wasn't vibing with the trends last year or something. But I can say I have been re-inspired. My love for shopping has come back and we're going ham. I don't know, this stuff is so cool, but can you imagine me wearing it? I don't know. Oh, okay. I guess the blue set is pre-ordered too. They really have cute pants. Like, these are like proper statement pants. I feel like maximalism is gonna be a huge thing next fall. And these pants are screaming maximalism. Okay, I can't do this to myself. Okay, that's it. That's it for House of Sunny. We're moving on. Oh, okay, another website I've really wanted to check out is Princess Polly. I don't know if I should say this on the internet. Yeah, I was really close to working with them, but I guess it was the US website, so they were basically collaborating with like American YouTubers. That was a little disappointing, but I'm still gonna buy shit from you because I think it's super cute. So it's fine, I'm fine. Not gonna lie though, I was going through Princess Polly last night just because I couldn't wait, and I favorited some things. Kinda wanna tie my hair. Don't fall. But my rubber band's like all the way there. Yeah, I don't know why I just did that. There's no way I'm getting up to get it. Who am I? Okay. I guess that's better. No? Yeah, who cares? I was gonna show you my wish list on Princess Polly. The short dress, I've seen this everywhere. It's so cute. I swear I had some more things favorited last night. Remind me to add that to my list. Chocolate brown. I already got a lot of shit in chocolate brown, but I love it. I'm obsessed. I want everything in chocolate brown. I really want chocolate brown boots. We should buy chocolate brown boots. Whoever like a chocolate brown boots, let's see if Princess Polly has chocolate brown boots. I feel like I'm typing in the wrong keywords. Did I spell chocolate right? I'm so sure I saw chocolate brown boots on the Forever 21 website, like the Indian Forever 21 website. But then they were sold out when I came back a week later. So that sucks. Okay, you know what? I should at least try, because I know these customs are going to kill me. So let's try like H&M. Why the hell not? I'm kind of sick of H&M, not gonna lie, but the men's section in H&M is heavenly. I am currently in men's section from H&M. I'm currently in the men's section from H&M. Why was that sentence so difficult for me to say? I just want to sleep. I like buying my men's wear in medium, because then you can wear it as a dress, but you can also wear it with leggings when you need to. You get the best of both worlds. I've been loving the faux fur bags. I have this like white faux fur bag. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you. It's the cutest thing in the world. Look at the ow. Ow! My bag's gonna be broken before I'm 21, I'm telling you guys. Anyway, look at this freaking bag. It's the softest, most perfect thing ever. I am so happy that this is a trend now, because when I first got it, I thought it was pretty ridiculous. So I definitely want like a smaller version of this, but I don't think this is a smaller version on H&M. I did, however, I found this Instagram store that actually makes like handmade, like they actually make these bags themselves. So I'm gonna DM them. I think I'm probably gonna get the cheetah print or the zebra print from them. because I've been into printed bags a lot lately. I feel like you can just wear a simple outfit and then they add so much, right? It's so cute. I love it. Ew. So H&M does have chocolate brown boots, but they are vinyl. That might be a problem. I like them in black though. I do really like them in black, and I do need black boots. We're adding these. That's cute. Okay, I really desperately want a cute denim set, like a denim on denim set, but I don't know where to get it. I saw this one on IMGR, but it's obviously not on the website anymore, but that was, I wanted so bad. See, these boots are what I'm looking for. How cute would this be? Okay, imagine like an oversized cream turtleneck sweater with these boots. Just imagine it. I'm gonna give you a minute. Isn't that the cutest outfit in the world? I would die. I hate that these people upload things and then they don't say where it's from. Like how mean. I think I should stop now because I have quite a bit of stuff. The last place that I want to check out, it's been my secret treasure so far. You guys, Amazon actually has some really cute stuff. Yeah, I didn't believe it either, but like, you know, basic things like just accessories to style up your wardrobe. You wouldn't think it, but Amazon has it. I just saw this on Pinterest and I remembered I've really been into like sheer knee-high stockings. I've seen a lot of people style it and I feel like it looks really cute. And I am pretty sure Amazon has this. It's literally for 200 bucks. Like, you literally have to be kidding me. And also, guys, Amazon is such a good place to buy cute corsets. Like, you have to hunt a little bit, but they really have some cute corsets. Like, oh my god. I'm super into like early 2000s fashion, and I've been looking for sunglasses like this everywhere. Are you kidding me? Amazon is honestly turning out to be the MVP of this video. They also have a lot of like loungewear and slip dresses. I'm just gonna show you everything I added to my cart. I might have to DIY them a little, like change them up, crop them, maybe add some slits. But this is actually really cute stuff. Like, tell me you haven't seen these all over Instagram. And for such a good price, like insanely good price. Okay, I think that might be enough for today, right? So that's pretty much it. Thanks for coming along and shopping with me. I had so much fun filming this video. It was really chill. I really feel like it's a bonding session. It's like I'm actually sitting and just like chilling and talking to you all. It's so fun. And yeah, I'm honestly tired now. Shopping is exhausting, not gonna lie. But this was so fun and I'm so excited to get all of these things and finally have a cool, fun closet again. So hopefully I can feel confident and want to dress up and look good again, because I really have been feeling like myself the past few days. So be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want me to do a haul when I get all of these, and yeah, I'm gonna go now and probably still not do my work, but maybe I will. Maybe I should. I will. Okay, see y'all later. Bye. Oh my god, but I totally forgot about these shoes. I need to get this comfier somehow. Ugh. I miss kickboxing. I just want backrest without like getting out of the frame. Can we do this? Okay, I just shut my laptop and my like pants are stuck.